The MQ-1C Gray Eagle is a medium-altitude, long-endurance remotely piloted aircraft (RPA) that is considered one of the most advanced RPAs in the world. Developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, the Gray Eagle is designed to provide the U.S. Army with a persistent, multi-mission capability in support of ground troops. One of the key features of the MQ-1C Gray Eagle is its advanced sensor suite. The Gray Eagle is equipped with electro-optical and infrared cameras, as well as synthetic aperture radar, which provides operators with a high-resolution, real-time view of the battlefield. This allows the Gray Eagle to provide critical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) data to ground troops, helping them to better understand the battlefield and make more informed decisions. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle is also equipped with a variety of weapons, including Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, which can be used to strike enemy targets. This gives ground commanders an additional capability to engage the enemy without putting their troops at risk. Another key feature of the MQ-1C Gray Eagle is its endurance. The Gray Eagle can stay airborne for up to 25 hours, which makes it ideal for long-term surveillance and monitoring missions. This allows operators to maintain continuous coverage of an area, providing valuable situational awareness to ground commanders. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle has been used in a variety of missions, including ISR, strike missions, and even in support of disaster relief operations. Its advanced capabilities and versatility make it one of the most advanced RPAs in the world today, and it is likely to remain a critical tool in modern warfare for years to come. The Gray Eagle was first deployed to Iraq in 2009, where it was used in a variety of missions, including surveillance and reconnaissance, targeting, and strike operations. The Gray Eagle was instrumental in providing real-time intelligence to ground forces, which helped to reduce the risk to troops and increase the effectiveness of operations. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle has also been deployed to Afghanistan, where it has been used in a similar role to its operations in Iraq. The Gray Eagle has played a key role in providing ISR data to ground forces, which has helped to improve situational awareness and increase the effectiveness of operations. In addition to its use in Iraq and Afghanistan, the MQ-1C Gray Eagle has also been used in other military operations around the world, including in support of disaster relief efforts in the United States. Remotely piloted aircraft, RPA, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones, are aircraft that are controlled remotely by a human operator. These aircraft do not have a pilot on board and can be flown from a remote location using a ground control station. The history of RPAs dates back to the early 20th century when unmanned balloons were used for military reconnaissance. However, it wasn't until the 1990s that the technology for RPAs began to advance rapidly, and they became increasingly used for both military and civilian applications. RPAs come in various sizes and shapes, from small handheld drones to large, high-altitude, long-endurance platforms that can stay aloft for more than 24 hours. They are typically equipped with a range of sensors, cameras, and other equipment that can be used for surveillance, reconnaissance, target acquisition, and even weapons delivery. Some of the key specifications of RPAs include range. The range of an RPA depends on the type of aircraft, the payload it is carrying, and the mission it is being used for. Some RPAs have a range of only a few miles, while others can fly thousands of miles. Endurance. The endurance of an RPA refers to the length of time it can stay aloft before needing to refuel or recharge. This can range from just a few hours to more than 24 hours for high-altitude, long-endurance RPAs. Payload. The payload of an RPA refers to the equipment and sensors that it can carry, including cameras, radar systems, and weapons. The payload capacity of an RPA varies depending on the size and weight of the aircraft. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle is a remotely piloted aircraft, RPA, that has been used in several wars and military operations, including in Iraq and Afghanistan. The Gray Eagle has been used for a variety of missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, targeting, and strike operations. It has played a key role in providing real-time intelligence to ground forces, which has helped to reduce the risk to troops and increase the effectiveness of operations. The Gray Eagle is considered a highly effective tool in modern warfare and is likely to remain a critical asset for military operations in the future.